talking about how your new friend is all puffed up, and I think he goes to the gym a little more than you also. All right, so we're going to see a small little video of what these two have been up to. Can we have what they've been up to all this while? Pose together first for this new friendship. Let's see किसके muscle सबसे ज़्यादा है. क्या बात है. All right, now I would love to call on stage the director, Remo D'Souza. And the lovely lady, the flying Jack, Miss Jacqueline Fernandez. I think we need to see all of you guys pose now with him, yeah? Everyone. I really think Jacqueline's the strongest of them all. Yeah. Please make some noise for the entire star cast of the Flying Jut. Come on. All right. Now it's time to call the Flying Jut's second friend. Roll number 21. Can we have Chris? All right. Tiger, we'd love to hear you say something about your new friends.
What do I have to say about my new friends? मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि these guys are, you know, a very, very strong asset to me, Flying Jut, and I'm trying to help them also. You know, the three of us make a stronger team. So where he is a superhero, he's a superhero, I'm a superhero. So we are like the Avengers of India, you know. But yeah, because of them, you know, I'm trying to save more people, and we are saving more people together. Teamwork, you know, together everyone achieves more. And if you have partners like Chhota Bheem and Chris, you know, then that makes us unstoppable. Flying Jut is unstoppable with them.
But Tiger, you are a superhero who's afraid of heights. So what do you do differently from the other superheroes?
What do I do differently? Well, I can dance. I can, you know, one thing I do differently, which is very unique, which I don't think any superhero does, is I'm scared of my mother, so I have to listen to everything she says. So if I'm flying, you know, flying home, on my way home, even if I'm in costume, she'll give me a call on my mobile and I have to pick up. She says, please go to the market, pick up vegetables. So, yeah. So I have to stop at the market and buy her vegetables.
And we've seen it.
So, yeah.
Alright, I have to ask Jacqueline now, if you had a choice between Chris and Bheem, what would you want? who would you go for?
I don't know. Who's gonna woo me better, yeah? Like, maybe a little dance off. Let's try a dance off or something. Should we try a dance off on Beat Pe Booty? Do we have Beat Pe Booty? Yeah? Okay, so the better, you guys help me, okay? Whoever dances better on Beat Pe Booty, I'll choose him. You guys ready?
आपको थोड़ा ट्रेनिंग करना है तो कर लो.
Chota Bheem?
Oh, क्या बात है.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Dance for me. Chota Bheem, did you even dance for me? Chris was dancing his heart off.
I'll tell you what. I think why? Because Chris and the Flying Jut have been up to something. I think we need to see that. Yeah. Let's see that. Let's see that on the video. Come on. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Please give them all. All right. So Remo sir, we want to know what is the secret behind this costume.
Secret behind this costume is, if you carefully see, there are two parts of this costume. This is Shaolin shoes and this is Sikh सरदारों का खंडा and pug. So दोनों को mix किया है and जो color इस costume का है वो निहंग warriors थे हमारे Sikh warriors, वहाँ से लिया हुआ है. So हर चीज़ का इसमें importance है. So everything is there.
But इसको डिजाइन किसने किया है? ये मतलब क्या है ये? मतलब you I think somewhere I read it that it was designed.
स्पाइडरमैन का कॉस्ट्यूम, बैटमैन, सुपरमैन की कॉस्ट्यूम किसने बनाया है? लेकिन मैं ये बता दूं कि फ्लाइंग जेट का कॉस्ट्यूम उसकी मम्मी ने बनाया.
Mamiya, please get ready. Please design your costumes right now for them. I'm telling you first only.
और एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट आप लोगों के लिए सबसे बड़ी बात जो हमारा फ्लाइंग जेट करता है वो अपनी मम्मी की बात सुनता है. See?
You know what we'd like to see is for 1, 2, and 3 for you guys to show us your flying jut moves. Let's see that. I think that is what we're all waiting for because you are like a dance master. We love you on screen when you're killing it on screen, and we have him who's like a dance institution only, like especially when he's taking like flips anywhere. So we'd love to see you guys dance like the perfect team. This is the perfect team. Yeah. Fantastic, lovely. अरे signature क्या था सर? अच्छा ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. We'll see it in the movie anyway. So yeah. All right. So I think what we are also here for is that you guys are starting a hunt for 20 kids. Yeah.
Yes.
So we want to know what this is all about. What?
So we're very, very excited to announce to all and everyone here that we're starting a hunt for 20 kids. to star and dance with us, dance with me and Tiger in our promotional video. So, we're starting the hunt today. So you have to send us.
One second, I think he has
what,
something
what
to
is
say.
it, Chris? What is it? Oh, you're in it? No. Okay, auditions have started, guys. See, Chris is on it. Oh my gosh. Okay, you two. Okay, cool. We'll have to like choose our. Okay, so we have to make a selection between Chris and.
And you know what I do best. I'll
Yeah.
Yes.
I'll select. Okay.
So send us your videos in, and soon you'll get to.
On
dance
Facebook
with
and
us.
on YouTube, right? That's how you're,
Yes, yes.
looking at it. Fantastic. Please give them a huge round of applause. Yeah. I think Beam has to go. He's feeling hungry now. He wants to go and have his laddus. Yeah. He'll be back in just a bit, and I think you have to go to school also. Yeah. Or you don't want to go to school. Okay. So he just wants to go to school. We'll see them in some time. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please give both of them a huge round.